me tell you something. I've been driving around with this car. I don't know how long. You're trying to fuck with me, and I'm not going to. Whatever you need to do, you do it. Whatever you need to do, whatever you need to do. Like you said, we right here. So whatever you need to do, you do it.
Absolutely.
So go ahead. And right
your
whenever you need to
position isn't going to get you out of trouble.
Listen,
no way.
I'm not even worried about it. But your position is going to get your ass fired. That's what's going to happen.
Remember that.
That's what's going to happen.
Remember that.
That's what's going to happen.
Okay, you can tell me.
Period.
Good?
Period.
Yeah.
Go ahead, say whatever you... See, you want to be cocky. You want to be cocky.
No, I just don't like when people try to use their position.
No, I don't have to use my position.
You do.
I've never done it. You better ask your boss.
Yeah.
You ask your boss. No, because when I get home, I'm calling them.
Call them now.
So I'm gonna tell them to pull your fucking tape, and like I said, you're gonna lose your job.
Okay.
Because you got me fucked up.
Okay.
At approximately 4 p.m. in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, a police officer initiated a traffic stop after a license plate reader flagged a vehicle for expired registration and a suspension related to an insurance issue. The vehicle was being driven by Fatira Dugans, while the registered owner, Darlene Duggan Magdalinsky, was seated in the back. At the time, Magdalinsky served as the chairwoman of the city's police advisory committee.
Insurance cancellation?
Right.
But it is expired 7/22 last month.
But it's not. You talking about, with this? What?
Plate.
Yeah, what happened is my car, and they're trying to handle that. I went to court for my registration. I can't get it inspected until they.
Oh yeah. I'm not even worried about the inspection.
Right.
It's the plate that it hits on.
Right, but what I'm saying is I can't do anything until as far as with that, because I haven't insurance.
Do you have insurance?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay. Or do you have it on your phone? Most people do now.
Yeah.
Do you have your driver's license on?
She don't. I had her driving. Yes, she does. I had her driving because I normally drive. You want my license?
No. You don't have your license on?
She doesn't. No. You want my license?
I was just like,
okay.
What is your name, ma'am?
Fatira.
F.
A-T-I-R-E-H.
And what's your last name? All last name. Go ahead.
I'm assuming you saw that list suspended for insurance?
Yeah, 10-4. I'm sorry, your last name?
The name's expired.
The license in Pennsylvania?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you have your insurance?
Yeah, hold on 1 second. Hold on. Matter of fact, let me just...
Did you change companies or something?
Yes, first of all, yes, I changed companies because I'm with Glazier now.
Who were you with?
I was with Unison.
So here's what happens.
Okay.
When you leave one company to the next, the old company sends a letter saying they don't have insurance with us anymore. New company is supposed to send something and update PennDOT.
Well, what they did, this is what it was. We had an issue in December with my license saying that I didn't, with what you're saying. I went to court, and obviously with the Department of Transportation, they proved that obviously Unitron was wrong. That I've never ever lapsed in my insurance. You get what I'm saying? So what happened was, it's crazy because they fixed one car, which is, if you look at my Nissan, I have a Nissan. If you call it my Nissan Sentra, matter of fact, sir, if you look at my...
Okay, so do you have...
If you look at my Nissan, yes.
Do you have any paperwork or any information from PennDOT that shows that...
I actually do, but it's at home, but it shows on the one vehicle, so you're not going to have it on one vehicle, not on the other.
Why don't you pull up your insurance for this, though? So that way I can verify that you have insurance for this. That's my biggest concern.
Is that locked? Turn that off.
The plate being expired is minor. No insurance is something I'm concerned with.
No, I have it. I'm just trying to pull up my email.
Okay.
Because I had her send me the card.
Sure.
I just got this phone, so please forgive me.
Okay.
And Sergio, you know how to pull that key out and then unlock. Just hand me the thing right there. No, at the bottom. That's what I secure. All right.
That's for driver's license identification. There's the registration. Let's see that.
Relax, baby. It's okay. It's okay.
You can do whatever you have to do with it. What you gotta do? Yeah, do what you gotta do. She's gonna take care of the kid.
Just relax, baby.
All right, so you pull that up, and I'll be right back.
Okay, sure.
Actually, once you pull it up, just show it to that cop right there. Say again. Yeah. What do you need?
Can you just, sir, would you mind turning time for a minute?
So,
Okay, I'm not like a little skittish. I'm a little skittish.
what's the matter?
I'm dealing with a lot of things with the courts right now.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, my
Are you
anxiety.
wanted?
I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Relax.
And
Okay.
I know how certain things work. It's like once you run somebody's names, if it is something out, I've already been through this twice.
What happened?
I was actually driving my baby father's car,
Mm-hmm.
and he didn't have his registration and stuff, and I actually had to go to court for that, and I actually took care of that. And
So,
I'm paying
what
a
other
fine.
court case do you have out right now?
So I'm paying fines.
Don't worry about it. Listen, just relax. You'll be fine. Hey, this is your real information, okay?
Yes, I'm just.
Hey, relax, okay? You'll be fine, all right?
Hey, how are you? I'm okay.
What do you got?
Hold on. I just got this phone, so.
All right, show it to him once you get it. Give me a second.
During the stop, officers determined that the driver did not have her license in possession and had an outstanding warrant, while the vehicle owner failed to immediately provide valid proof of insurance. As the officer explained that multiple citations would be issued, Magdalinsky became confrontational and referenced her position, making statements that implied influence over the officer's employment. The officer responded by making it clear that no position or title would exempt anyone from the enforcement of the law.
County.
Standing by.
I cut and pasted some information in there if you just want to confirm that. You guys have a copy? How'd you make out with the insurance?
Believe me, I have it. I'm trying. This is a new phone.
Did you sign in your email?
I'm on, but it looks like it mixed Google with Yahoo. Okay, just download the Yahoo.
Do you know your password?
Yeah, like
Okay, so go to the internet.
77.0. Go and notify them and dispatch over the kid. I did. I notified them starting at 1960 to call. Somebody just, I don't know which one's going.
What's the address that you want? I'm actually from 37
Let me jump behind stand. Let me follow stand. That's what he just said.
701 account. Perfect. Yeah, it's not Richard. He's negative 46, correct?
So you're going to receive citations, okay?
For what?
Correct.
For vehicle code violations. You have
What
a,
vehicle violation?
can I talk?
The
You have
gentleman.
a suspended driver driving your car. You have an unregistered vehicle.
Okay.
You have no proof of insurance. You have a suspended plate. You have window tint. Okay.
Let me tell you something. I've been driving around with this car. I don't know how long.
Okay.
You're trying to fuck with me, and I'm
Not
not going
one
to.
bit.
Whatever you need to do, you do
Not one
it.
bit.
Whatever you
Just
need to
make
do,
sure
whatever
you
you
don't
need to do.
review
Like
me.
you said, we right here.
That's
so
right.
whatever you need to do, you do it.
Absolutely.
So go ahead and like
Your
whatever you need
position
to write.
isn't going to get you out of
Listen,
trouble.
listen.
No way.
I'm not even worried about it. But your position, you're gonna get your ass fired. That's what's gonna happen.
Remember that.
That's what's gonna happen.
Remember that.
That's what's gonna happen.
Okay, you can tell it.
Period.
Sound good?
Period.
Yeah.
Go ahead, say whatever you see. You want to be cocky. You want to be cocky.
No, I just don't
but
like
it's
when people
cops
try
like
to
you.
use their
It's
position.
no, I don't have to use my
Yeah,
position.
you do.
I've never
Listen
done
to
it.
me.
You
Listen
know,
to
you
me.
better ask your boss.
Yeah.
You ask
I'm
your
going
boss.
to. I'm
You,
gonna have it
no,
in
because
writing.
when I get
In
home,
writing.
when I get home, I'm calling them.
Call them now.
So I'm gonna tell them to pull your fucking tape, and like I said,
Absolutely.
you're gonna lose your job.
Okay.
Because you got me fucked up.
Okay.
Anyway, go ahead.
Have total your house on your money. Working back to the shop and you come on Mondays to be commanded.
And then what's gonna be the charge for that?
That I do.
Are you open tomorrow as well? But I can pick up.
But they come back Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if I give it to you, then it's money. Just show it to my house. I'll pay you $200.
Reporting 1 email from this location back to Rite-Aid, starting at 65-376.5.
The citizen advisory board for the police or something. We're supposed to be reviewed by her.
You'll see her, and you'll see my case in 2 weeks out. You'll see it. She's
Oh, I ain't standing on this one. It's no way.
It's just we had looked at it.
Yeah. Well, she makes herself look bad. It's ridiculous.
That's before the
Oh, here, I'll give you a business card. Here, you get here. No, look at.
What's your
No, you
what's
take
your
that
bag?
right
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
There you go.
yeah,
You give. Oh, no, come on.
You want to be an asshole?
Yeah.
You want to be an asshole? Listen,
Tell the chief I'm
your
cool
is.
now.
Listen, listen. Don't even worry about it. Thank you. I appreciate it. He gonna be Mr. Cocky.
Yep.
Your ass gonna be right on the motherfucking news.
Yeah, bring it.
You gonna get it. Bring it in the
Bring
motherfucking
it.
truck.
Yeah, there you go.
Asshole.
Review committee.
Listen, guess
Nice.
what?
Out of the road.
Guess
Out of the road.
Guess what?
Get out of the road.
Guess what? Your ass. That's gonna have your fucking job.
Okay, I'll hold you to it.
Fuck you.
Review committee. That's a good one. Bye bye.
Why hasn't it ever
Watch
panned
that.
out?
Watch that plate hit now.
Why hasn't that ever panned out that crazy?
I have no idea. I don't know. Well, maybe because she's on it. That could be one of the reasons. She's gonna be on. I'm gonna lose my job. Be on the news. Yeah. Okay.
Pushing my stuff off, but I don't know if she'll come back to give me some more nasty.
Oh, I'm keeping mine on the whole time until I go.
The incident was later reviewed through official reports and body-worn camera footage. At a summary trial, Darlene Duggan Magdalinsky was found guilty of vehicle code violations, fined $112 for an illegal window tint, and $173.50 for allowing a driver with a suspended license to operate her vehicle. Following the ruling, she resigned from the Wilkes-Barre Police Advisory Committee, bringing the case to a close and reinforcing the principle that accountability applies regardless of status.